Hey guys, so I got my little sister this back to school gift. She loves stickers. This one has 50 stickers, foil sheets, 10 canvases, 2 scratch sticks. Okay, open your eyes. Look at what I got you.
Oh my god, I have been wanting this.
So I got the Rainbow Land craft kit. So this one is super cute. She loves arts and crafts. I thought this was perfect for her back to school gift. Yay! It comes with the unicorn. She loves unicorns. Yay! It also comes with these placemats, you guys. These are so cute.
They're so cute. Oh wait, they're for in the back of your stuff. Like if you wanted to put like the little rainbow somewhere right here.
Oh, so cute. So it comes with these little stickers, and then she's gonna put the foils, and it comes with different foils, you guys. Like it has the rainbow one, it has the silver one, and then you just lift the sticker up, and then you're gonna put like the foil right there wherever you want, like whatever color you want. And yeah, what do you think? What do you think?
I love it.
So she's doing her foil right now. Oh, beautiful.
Stuck to
Oh
me.
wow. And that's how you do it, you guys. That's so cute. So this is the other foil that she's gonna use.
It's kind of like gummy bears or cheetah.
Let's see.
Put it on the whole entire thing. Ooh.
Wow, beautiful. Look at that. You did your rainbow
That's
foil.
so cool.
So she could stick her sticker right there
It comes
wherever
with,
she wants.
it comes with the one sticker in the front and then one sticker on the back, so you can like these cards are for like so you could decorate it everywhere.
So it also has the little stick,
Stickers.
so she could scratch the scratchers instead of using her nail. So she's gonna have like lots of activities, you guys. So she could do all of these arts and crafts and then be less on the iPad. And yeah, she could get creative. She's loving it. You're loving it, huh?
Yeah.
So right now she's scratching this one. And then the unicorn is also a scratcher too.
Yeah.
So she has her little candy that she did, the scratcher. And then she's gonna try the unicorn. Like she just wants to do everything.
Yeah.
Well, let's try the unicorn to see how it looks. So how do you feel doing this one, the unicorn scratcher?
It feels good because like you get to scratch everything and it'll turn out like so beautiful. Like first it shows you like colors, and then when you scratch it, it shows you like different colors.
So guys, I'll be leaving the craft kit down below. You guys could just click the link to order it, and yeah.